What's up, guys? It's Blue here, and you're watching Blockchain Central. In today's episode, we'll dive into the fascinating territory of day trading crypto and analyze the potential benefits and risk associated with the aspects of crypto market. As always, please note that the content neither represents financial, legal, or tax advice, nor is it supposed to be understood or interpreted as solicitation to buy or sell any securities, coins, or tokens. So, what is day trading? It is the act of buying and selling a financial instrument within the same day, taking advantage of small price moves, and it's actually much older than most people expect. Day trading was first made possible with the invention of a telegraph, which resulted in the creation of the first digital communication medium, a ticker tape that allowed almost real-time recording of stock prices. Believe it or not, this happened in 1867. Over the years, day trading has been evolving, and the compound value of the day trading networks has been growing consistently. Later, with the advent of the internet, it became a way for smaller, non-institutional investors to start participating in the market. However, one thing has been consistent throughout the history of day trading. It has always been considered to be a risky endeavor, and even today, many people speak out against it. The cryptocurrency market has also seen a fair share of day trading, and some people consider it a good way for innovative investors to probe the crypto market, as most trading strategies known from the regular market also apply to crypto. The main difference lies in the fact that the huge volatility of the crypto market magnifies both the potential profits and the possible risk. Also, because currency trading always relies on currency pairs, with the asset value usually viewed against Bitcoin or Ethereum, the inherent volatility of these networks adds to aggregate risk of involvement. Also, these days, due to growing mainstream popularity of blockchain technology, an aspiring crypto day trader has to do extra due diligence in order to avoid being manipulated by bad players or hype trains running within the community. When it comes to the strategy of day trading crypto, you need to understand the basics of analytical trading and research techniques. Generally, most traders in crypto rely on swing trading techniques and trade against breakouts and breakdowns in relation to support and resistance lines of each asset. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, a support line is a price level below which an asset has had difficulty falling. When looking at the history of asset price fluctuations, we can use a support line to assess at what point the asset depreciation will stop and the asset will bounce back to an appreciation trend. Similarly, a resistance line will inform us when to sell, based on historical values for prices the asset is not likely to exceed. These lines can also be understood as lines that connect with candlesticks, namely prices at which the asset opened and closed on the given day. Careful analysis of such trends can bring a diligent day trader closer to the holy grail of being able to capitalize on the entire move of an asset. Another important aspect of day trading is understanding the concepts of volume and float. It is really very simple. Volume is the number of assets made available to the entire market during a given period of time, and float is the number of shares that are still free to trade in the open market. The rule of thumb for any day trader is trading in assets that are high in volume and low in float. The reason for that is that high float usually results in lower volatility, which can result in lower day-to-day price differences on any given asset. Once you understand the fundamentals, it's important to understand the risk, and these are aplenty. It is said that 80 to 90% of day traders record a loss in their first year of activity, as one really needs to gain significant experience in order to start making significant profit. That being said, many successful day traders claim that failure rate is so high due to people simply quitting too early before they can learn ins and outs of the business. Another contributing risk factor can be the emotional aspects of trading. Whenever making or losing money is involved, we tend to get emotional and might not make rational decisions. One thing that not many people realize is that in order to day trade successfully, one needs to devote a significant amount of time to the process. It truly is a full-time job, as the market needs to be monitored almost continuously in order to not miss out on trends. Also, when it comes to crypto, because the market is so young, it is susceptible to manipulation, and reliable information might be hard to come by. The impact of community and the culture of hype can play a big part in influencing such a developing market. One last risk not to be ignored is the fact that it is possible to develop a psychological addiction to the highs and lows of day trading, and one can actually become dependent on the process of trading itself and lose track of why they started in the first place. In this context, the gambling parallels drawn by the opponents of day trading might actually hold some merit. Is there any way to mitigate the aforementioned risk? Of course there is. First of all, you can start by paper trading, which is the process of buying or selling virtual assets without involving any actual money. The easiest way to do that is to follow the market, make predictions, and write down your potential trades to see how they would do. Also, some trading platforms and apps offer a demo product where you can experiment without risking any real money. Another safeguard can come from following several key principles of trading, such as never risking the money you can't afford to lose, and never staking more than 2% of your trade account on a single trade. Also, taking advantage of specific market tools such as limit orders and stop orders can mitigate the risk you're taking as a crypto investor. When it comes to blockchain-specific techniques, it might be considered a no-brainer, but getting a solid understanding of blockchain technology can really help immensely and give you an edge over the other traders in the market. Knowing more about blockchain will allow you to be a more fundamentally sound investor by doing reliable research and clearly identifying added value that technology behind an asset is providing. Last but not least, due to an ever-present risk of hacking, it is advisable to select a reliable, trustworthy exchange with an impeccable track record of security. So, that's about it for this episode of Blockchain Central. Let me know in the comments what's your experience with day trading crypto and what's the biggest gain you managed to accumulate in one day. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Blockchain Central to never miss a beat.